What's going on, everyone? Everybody that really knows me knows how much I love tacos. So today, we're making a Korean steak taco using our Korean steak seasoning. But first, we gotta learn how to braise. And we're gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. This is a 7-inch bunka. Oh, I needed that. Hey guys, I have everything laid out over here. It looks like a lot of stuff. It kind of is, but I'm gonna show you step by step, real easily, how to make this taco, how to braise the meat, how to make the slaw, how to make the sauce. Don't worry about it, okay? First, we're gonna start with our short ribs. We have to heavily season them with salt and pepper on each side. The next step to braising short ribs is we have to flour them. So the flour is gonna grab all the extra moisture off the meat. It's gonna give them a really nice brown crust when we put them in the pot. All right, now we're gonna start browning our meat. And a little bit of our Korean beef seasoning in there now. When they start to look like this color brown, we can add our vegetables. We have a nice little mirepoix here. We have some shallots, carrots, celery, and a nice bouquet of thyme and rosemary. Yeah, that's the kind of char that we want right there. Oh yes. I'm gonna go ahead and add 5 cloves of crushed garlic. Now it's time for our red wine. You want to cover the meat about halfway, and then you want to let it reduce a little bit. It takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Now that that wine is reduced halfway, we're going to go ahead and add our beef broth. Once again, you don't want to cover the meat completely, so we're just going to let some of that cook off, and then we're going to throw it into the oven. Right now, my oven's preset on 325, and we're going to let these sit in there for 3 hours. All right, guys, it's time to get this in the oven. As our short ribs have been braising for about an hour and a half, now I'm gonna get started on the vegetables for the taco. It's gonna be shredded Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, and some shallots. I just want to give a special shout out to my buddy Noah from forgetotable.com. He's the one that supplies me with all these sick knives I use during my videos. I've used knives from all over the world. His are by far my favorite. Give him a shout. Check his website out, forgetotable.com. Now that we have our vegetables ready for our taco, it's time to make our sauce. This sauce is really easy. It's going to start with some chili garlic sauce or sriracha, a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of sesame oil. And then we're just gonna mix it together. I'm gonna go ahead and toast some of my blue corn tortillas now. All right, guys, here's where we throw in our shallots, our cabbage, and our chopped Brussels sprouts, and we're gonna mix it together with a little bit of our dude's Korean beef seasoning, and we're gonna give it a stir, and now we're almost ready to eat. All right, guys, our short ribs are out. It's been 3 hours. I'm starving. Let's see what these short ribs look like. It's falling apart. Exactly what we want. Now, let's build our tacos. It's good enough for 3. All right, guys, I'm hungry. I'm about to eat these tacos. First, we got to get our short rib back in the cast iron skillet, followed by our Brussels sprouts and cabbage mixture. Let's mix it around a little bit. We're going to add a little bit of our sauce to it, and then we're going to build our tacos, and then we are ready to enjoy. You're going to like these. I like making them. I can't wait to eat them. I am starving. I cannot wait to eat these, guys. Korean short rib tacos. Slow cooked and delicious. Oh yeah. Everybody that really knows me knows how much I love tacos. I love these things are awesome. Guys, don't forget, at dudesgourmet.com, you get your spice pack, monthly, $15, delivered to your house. I'm gonna enjoy this taco. You guys learned something today. You guys learned how to braise. You guys learned I love tacos. I'm gonna eat this.